Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? Today I'm bringing you my little project FPV Quad. My wife called it Frankenstein yesterday. I built this yesterday actually, and it is just a bunch of spare parts that I've had, some of them for quite a while, some for about 6 months. And so here it is. It is a Diatone Roma L3 frame with a DJI 03 air unit and some Diatone Mamba 1404 3000 kV motors. I found these in a box of miscellaneous parts as I was digging through my office. I don't even know when I bought these. I was searching my purchase history and I didn't see anything for like the last year. So no idea when I bought those. The 03 air unit came out of Pavo Pico. You can see all the burn damage. This one caught fire after, it was actually on the 4th flight. And then I got a new one and it sucks. It's got weird jitters in the video. Can't do anything to get rid of it. I've tried all the different tricks I found online. So I took that 03 air unit and I stuck it in this frame, not designed for an 03. And going to show you some footage. First, I'm going to show you a little clip of what it looked like when I just did beta flight defaults and the PWM frequency on the BLLES firmware, what that looks like right now. As you can see, it looked really crappy. So brought it back inside and I flashed Blue Jay firmware, and then I put 48 kHz PWM frequency and I took it back outside and look how much better it is. So that was yesterday. Really gloomy, crappy day. And today it's sunny and gorgeous out, like 33 degrees, gorgeous. But golf courses are closed, so I figured I would take this over to a golf course and give it a little rip. Nice and sunny, see how the video looks with sun and brightness in it. And I think it turned out pretty good. So we'll get to that in just a minute. I put the 03 air unit in here. Like I said, I mean, obviously this frame's not designed for it, but I found a 3D print that adapts 20 by 20 to 25 by 25, and that seems to be working well. I did stick a little 3M double stick tape in there just for a little added security. And then the only other really new part is this SpeedyBee F405 20 by 20 flight stack. Man, seems to be really great. I was able to solder everything up pretty quickly and easily, and everything's flying great. I right now have it set up to fly at the DJI remote because I was lazy and didn't want to solder up a ELRS receiver, but I'm gonna fix that here tonight actually, because I want to fly it off one of my other radios. I'm a big fan of the Radio Master Pocket, and I also use the Zorro a lot. So I'd rather use those for this. I think that'll be better. Anyway, here's my first flight, true flight, call it the maiden flight, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for putting up with me rambling, and see you next time.